sadly, this is just not true. Let me tell you why. The lady in the reel is actually referencing a study which looks at immature egg cells in the ovaries of women between the ages of 18 to about 40. In these egg cells, which eventually are the ones that get fertilized by the sperm and become the baby, there are two kinds of DNA. Okay, one is called mitochondrial DNA and one is called nuclear DNA. This mitochondrial DNA is sort of like a support system, and for the longest time ever, it was believed that because women age, right, the mitochondrial DNA also becomes lesser and lesser in quality, and because of that, fertility and embryo health and miscarriages, all of that does get affected. Now, the cool thing about this study is it actually shows that mitochondrial DNA in fact doesn't age. But does this mean that हमारे पास कोई biological clock नहीं है? So the main DNA is your nuclear DNA. This is what actually fuses with the DNA in a sperm to create the baby. And the mitochondrial DNA, which is what that study was actually looking at, is more of a support role. So something like circuit to Munna Bhai. Now with nuclear DNA, sadly age does make a difference, and with increased age, there is an increased risk of this fusion not happening properly, and because of that, there are a lot of conditions like Down syndrome or things like more miscarriages and stuff like that happening. But the biological clock sadly is real. And as a woman in her 30s, I wish I could tell you that it's not. But as a scientist, it's also my job to tell you the truth so that you can take the right decisions. Follow me for more such science-based